Process for opening trading and Demat account. Trading account is used for buying and selling securities. Demat account is used for holding securities in electronic form. Go to the website or app of the SEBI registered broker. Look for the option to open a new trading and Demat account. Fill in personal information such as name, email address, PAN card number and Aadhaar number. Upload copies of the documents like identity proof, address proof, income proof and bank proof to verify your identity and financial details. Complete in-person verification (IPV) for opening a Demat and trading account. You can complete it through video IPV or physical IPF. Complete Aadhaar-based verification. Set up your trading preferences like segments and brokerage plan. Link your primary bank account with the trading and Demat account for seamless fund transfers, that is for purchase and sale of securities. After all the documents are verified, your trading and Demat accounts will be activated. Your broker will send you client ID and trading account number and login credentials for the broker's trading platform. Log into the broker's platform and start trading in stock market. Once your trading account is active, you'll receive a contract note after every trade. This is a detailed record of your transaction showing key details such as the stock name, quantity, price, brokerage charges and taxes. Let's take a quick look at what a contract note typically looks like. You'll also receive a Demat account statement periodically, which provides a snapshot of your holdings and transactions. Here's an example of what the match statement looks like. The process may slightly differ for each intermediary.